Hey curious minds, welcome back to Empower Pulse, where we're about to embark on a journey that's been fascinating thinkers for centuries. Ever found yourself facing life storms and thought, is there an ancient recipe for turning challenges into triumphs? Well, buckle up because today, we're unraveling the timeless secrets of the Stoics. If you're curious about the art of mastering life's toughest challenges, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the mysterious world of Stoicism. I promise, you're in for a mind-bending ride. The Stoic Odyssey. Picture this, you, a modern-day Stoic warrior, armed with ancient wisdom to face life's dragons head-on. The first secret? Recognize that challenges are your battleground, and your response is your secret weapon. Embrace the storm. Ever heard the phrase, dance in the rain? Well, the Stoics would add, and do it with style. Our second secret lies in embracing challenges like a dance partner, Seneca's insight. Fear nothing, embrace everything, and find serenity in the storm. Control the narrative. Ready for secret number 3? It's all about control, but not the illusion of control over external events. No. Focus on what you can control, your reactions, decisions, and the epic story you're crafting with every challenge. That's real power. Virtue vibes. Who needs a superhero cape when you've got virtues? Stoic secret number 4, cultivate virtues like wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. These aren't just virtues, they're your superpowers for building a legendary character in the face of adversity. Stoic rockstars in a modern world. Now, let's time travel these Stoic principles to the 21st century. Discover the 4th secret, timeless wisdom for your modern hustle, Seneca's life hacks on time management and prioritizing what truly matters, because Stoicism isn't just ancient, it's your guide to rocking the present. And there you have it, the secrets of a Stoic on how to deal with difficult life experiences, embrace challenges, find acceptance, focus on what you can control, and cultivate virtues. It's not about escaping adversity, but transforming through it. If you found these insights valuable, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to subscribe for more wisdom on living a fulfilling life. Until next time, stay stoic and stay resilient.